Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into AWS EC2 using EC2 Instance Connect, detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into your AWS EC2 instance using EC2 Instance Connect, begin by accessing the AWS Management Console. Sign in to your AWS account. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. Locate the instance you want to connect to. Ensure the instance is running and in a state ready for connection. Check that EC2 Instance Connect is enabled for your instance. Verify you have proper IAM permissions to use EC2 Instance Connect. In the instance list, select the instance you wish to log into. Click on the Connect button at the top of the screen. In the Connection Methods window, select EC2 Instance Connect. Choose your preferred username from the drop-down menu. If necessary, modify any network settings to allow SSH connections. Click on the Connect button once you've selected your username. A new browser window or tab will open, establishing the SSH connection. You may now interact with the instance terminal as needed. Remember that using EC2 Instance Connect may require a public IPv4 address or DNS name for the connection. Ensure your browser allows pop-ups if the connection window does not appear. If you encounter errors, double-check your security group settings for SSH access. Once connected, you can perform administrative tasks or deploy applications as necessary. When finished, remember to log out of your session securely. If you need to reconnect later, repeat the process to access your instance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.